Hey, what's up, guys? Root from nullshell.com jumping back on board with you for a whole nother batch tutorial. Alright, let's get the Windows command line ready to go, along with Notepad++, and I'll drag the command prompt down so you guys can see it. Because today, we're going to be working a little bit more with the for loop, or the for command. And today we're going to be checking out a tag that allows us to actually get input, or like read from a file. Any file that we happen to have in the file system, or one that we can just address inside of the loop. So if I do dir, so you guys can see what I'm working with here, what I have is a new file here called banks.csv. And this banks file, that's a comma separated value page, or a text file, that just means that every piece of information is separated by a comma, obviously. It just shows people, their age, and what bank they use. And so we want to be able to get some information from that inside batch, and we're going to try and do that with our for loop, so we can get information and that sort of thing. So let's try this out. Let's create a new script. I'll call mine script.bat. We'll use the regular old skeleton code. Set local enable delayed expansion. Go to the main function. Create our main function. Set locale. And then end local. And then we can go to the end of the function. Now let's indent just a little bit so we can actually get some nice programmer logic. And what we'll do is we'll create our for loop. We'll do --g, percent sign, 2% g in. This is a set, because that's just become good old habit. And then we can do echo out g. Alright, let's run this. Let's run script. This is a set. Okay. Now we're going to be taking a look at a new tag, though. Remember, we're going to be taking a look at this -f tag. The -f tag will allow you to get info from a file. So I guess you can remember the f tag by that way. F for info, or F for file. That's too many F's. That makes me feel a little weird. Okay, but now inside of the set, we're going to want to be able to get the file names that we're trying to read from. So now normally you'd think, oh, it's okay, I can just use a wildcard, right? Well, no. No, you can't. The system can't find the file with the wildcard. We actually have to supply the name for it, right? I mean, maybe we could just pass in, like, you know, the period and actually get everything inside the current directory. No, you're wrong. Again. I'm just kidding, guys. You're actually going to want to type in the real name of the file. So in our case, it's banks.csv. And now we can echo what we actually, all the lines, the information that we actually get from it, because we're going to get all the information, or at least going to try and get all the information from that little file there. So let's go ahead and try and run this. Let's run script, and we get John, Atticus, Doug, Sherlock, James. Wait a second. That's a little weird, right? I mean, it's supposed to have more values than that. I want to be able to know the person's age. I want to be able to know the bank number that they have, right? What the heck is going on here? Well, let me tell you guys, there is something new to for loops that we're going to be able to check out, and these are options. These are the options where we can determine what we want our delimiters to be in some sets, or maybe how many pieces of information that we want to get from the file. Or what if we wanted to be able to change what the end of line character is inside of a file or inside a piece of text. There's a whole lot more we can do with this, and that's where I want to introduce this idea. We're able to change more things by using things other than these parameters and these arguments that we've been using, like the -l tag, or the -d tag, or the -r tag, or the -f tag. So we're going to check out some more things in the next coming videos, but for now I just wanted to show you this, that we can get information from the file, but we want to be able to get more information from the file with the -f tag. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys will check out the next video, because I'm pretty excited for this one. We're finally going to do some more real in-depth stuff with the for loops and make some crazy stuff happen. Thank you guys for watching, though, and I will see you again. Bye.